What is a landing page? It is a web page which serves as the entry point for a website or a particular section of a website. Importance of ClickFunnels creating a landing page? Firstly, improve your SEO ClickFunnels target traffic based on the search engine. It helps to increase traffic and focus on specific customers' characteristics. Make your product more attractive and less complicated. Therefore, it increases customer satisfaction fast, easy and cheap to implement as it can be done in drop and drag, fast less in 15 minutes. ClickFunnels also has its autoresponder. As the result, it enables the customer to input their email and you receive the email list. Important. I have personally tried ClickFunnels. You can start it free with the 14 days trial. It has brought a large number of traffic to approximately 400 people a day. Sign up for 14 days trial. Click on the link with the bonus of my free marketing ebook. I promise you that I will email you via autoresponder of ClickFunnels and give you my free marketing book that can also help you.